Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing you a quick unboxing and review of this Champ Elite wireless keyboard mouse combo from TVS Electronics. So before I begin, let me tell you why I have chosen this combo over more popular ones. So after years of flawless service, my ThinkPad space key stopped working and I started looking for a heavy duty keyboard. TVS is known for its legendary mechanical keyboards, and they do offer quality membrane keyboards as well. And I'm a big fan of chiclet style keyboards, especially the ThinkPad ones. So naturally, I have shortlisted this keyboard. So this one is rated for at least like 10 million keystrokes. Other than that, the UV coated abrasion resistant keys, so these text won't go away over time, and this is comparatively thinner, as well as this comes with multimedia keys using function keys. Other than that, the mouse itself is 1600 dpi, and both of these are having auto power off as well as on off switches, and this does support Windows and Linux. I have tested on Windows, I have also tested in Linux. So let's see what's inside. So I bought these from Flipkart. You can get it from your local dealer as well. So these comes with 4 AAA batteries, 2 for mouse and 2 for keyboard. So one by one we will check. This is the keyboard. This is a quite heavy one. Actually it won't budge. The build quality is also pretty good. So let's keep this here and open the mouse. So this is the mouse. The design is quite ergonomic, and this is having total 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 keys. So I'll just put the batteries one by one, and the dongle, the radio dongle, that is here only. You can keep it safe here. So let's first insert the batteries. The dongle. Dongle is inserted. Mouse is on, and you can see it is readily available. Okay, so let's insert the batteries on the keyboard. The orientation is like this: negative here and positive is this side. So you can see the keyboard is also detected. If I type something, working as expected, and the design wise I'm pretty pleased with this, and this is having a good amount of palm rest. As this is a full size keyboard, this is having all the num keys, and the keys are also pretty wide, So many times like people complain about the smaller backspace, but in this version backspace size is also quite big. Function itself is quite big, and you can see the multimedia keys over here. So being a wireless keyboard, battery power and management is a important part of this. So this keyboard is having one indicator for low battery, as well as the caps lock and num lock keys. So this is a very brief about this keyboard. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.